Welcome to Animate Effects. Okay, I've put a small one fire lead in, and I've got the fire door flickering inside there, and I've also got the other lead flickering. Now that's without anything on top of it, it's just the way it comes, so it needs to get some red on top of it there to make the fire glow a bit more realistic. Here's the small fire door firebox lead underneath. There's about 20 leads or something inside these little ones. They're pretty good. On it there I've painted on some X27, which is the Tamiya red clear paint, and you can see the stripes that I put on there, so we've actually got some red, otherwise they're just yellow, as you saw in the demonstration I did with the TCS FL4. So there it is there. That's pretty good. I've also got the fire door. I'll just move this. So that's actually working in there as well. It's all happening. Okay, so we're on the track. The fire door also working. We've got the coal load goes down. And down and down and down and down she goes. I know they're using some fair bit of coal. And we've got the bell working, the fire's working, in and out, the coal load working. So we could fill up with coal. And then it can go down again. So a few things on here. And turn that bell off. But I'm pretty happy with that fire. That looks pretty good. A bit of black out in the back there. You can see it better. So the reflection onto the track and the tyres, that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. That's turned out quite good. The amount of surface area that the actual lead has got is putting more down than just one lead by itself. And here's the two different fire leads. The large one and the small one, like I call this O scale, that's HO. I've got a TCS FL4 Dakota here that's working, and I'll just show you what I mean by putting the red cellophane across it. Now of course you can cut this into little tiny strips and put some glue on it across the front and get the reaction of the red and yellow. Or you can also use yellow cellophane in there, which I did on another fire. There you go. This is a fire that I've got inside my Silverton depot, which I'm making, and that looks pretty good. So I've got a couple of passengers sitting in there on a bench and ticket office, and that looks quite good. Here a bit. You'll be able to see that on the layout. Going to look pretty good. Here's another view of it, this is going to be the viewing side. That's the shingles that I made in the previous video, so I put all the shingles on the roof there. But that's going to look pretty good. I don't think you can see much else through that way. Okay, so that's the good part. You'll be able to see that from viewing it, which is pretty much the way you'll look at it from looking at the layout.